How many times have you felt in your life that you wanted to become more organized? That moment when you feel this, you feel quite motivated to streamline yourself. But this feeling is followed by oversleeping, procrastination, and laziness. Then you carry on with your life like before. Again, after a month or so, you feel the need to be more organized. Sadly, the cycle continues. But to break this cycle, you need to self-motivate yourself. Worse, you take help from your friends. Even that doesn't help, as you find out that your friends are more unorganized at times. This is where technology can come to your rescue. All thanks to Google. You can now manage your work and home errands effectively. This is done by its product called Google Home, also known as Google Nest. Google Home is a line of smart speakers developed by Google. They enable users to speak voice commands to interact with services through Google Assistant. The Google Assistant is the company's virtual assistant. Google Home devices also have integrated support for home automation. It enables users to control smart home appliances with their voice command. Although it comes with great services, correctly using them is very important. Here are some tips and tricks to use Google Home to experience the best out of it. Google Home Tips and Tricks. Tracking your calendar. One of the best uses of Google Home is the way it maintains your schedule. It literally works as a personal assistant, and a very efficient one at that. All you have to do is just say the words "OK Google" followed by the time and instruction that you want to give. For example, saying something like "jamming session today at 6 p.m. After saying this, you don't have to worry about the reminders. Google will take care of it. You can also reschedule or cancel your appointments as per your needs. Use Google as a TV remote. You can use the voice assistant feature to search for shows on the streaming platforms. Just say "OK Google" followed by the instruction of what you want to see. Using this feature is also possible in case you don't have a smart TV. All you need to do is plug in your Chromecast in a spare HDMI slot in your box. A Chromecast is a streaming media adapter from Google that allows users to play online content. Once it is inserted in the slot, you can pair it with Google Home and your streaming platform account. Post doing this, you can enjoy searching and watching your favorite content. Language interpretation. This feature is very useful for people having foreign clients. Even connecting with friends belonging to different countries becomes very easy. For example, by saying "OK Google, be my French interpreter." It will start interpreting whatever is being said. All you need to do is start speaking after you get the affirmation beep. In a meeting with people belonging to different countries, Google can interpret their respective languages. Relaxing with ambient sounds. A great soothing music helps in getting a wonderful power nap. Google Home is quite equipped with a range of ambient acoustics to help you snooze. It can play for up to 12 hours unless you stop them. A specific request regarding a music lingering in your head can also be requested. You can also integrate these sounds with a bit of meditation too. All you need to do is ask Google Home to connect with meditation apps like Headspace. Although there are many other interesting services that Google Home provides, you can explore them after trying and testing the above ones.